Building your garden shed this weekend? Here's a list of tools and tips to get you started. First off, you need an Easyshed. Check the weather. If it's windy outside, you might want to put off building your shed. Don't try to assemble panels during windy conditions. Call a mate or two. Having more people helps when you're standing up the walls, and it makes assembly easier for larger sheds. Open the box with a Stanley knife. Hold the knife firmly with one hand and cut along the marked lines on the box carefully. Grab your assembly instructions and familiarise yourself with these.
Safety first. Safety gloves and glasses are essential for protecting your hands and eyes during assembly.
Ensure that your work area is neat, tidy and clear. A flat and even space is ideal for sheet assembly. Use a sawhorse or a trestle to make assembling the panels easier. Use a tape measure to get your dimensions spot on. Measure twice, drill once. You'll need a 3mm drill bit for general drilling as well as a pop rivet gun for the dead bolts. If you're fixing into a slab using our concrete fixings, grab your drill and get yourself a 10mm masonry drill bit. When putting our shed together, you can opt between screws or pop rivets. We recommend using the screws that come with a shed as that's the easiest and quickest way to put the shed up. Alternatively, if you prefer pop rivets, that's an option too, just a little more labour intensive when you're popping the shed up. If you've purchased one of our larger sheds, like the garage or workshop model, or you've purchased a separate portal frame kit, you'll encounter some Tex screws. Just pop in our provided 5/16 impact bit and you're good to go. Tin snips or an angle grinder with a cut-off wheel will be needed when you're installing our louver window kit. If you're using our flooring panels to fit the inside of your shed, mark a line clearly with masking tape and then use a hacksaw or your angle grinder to cut it down to size. You'll need a step ladder to help you reach higher spots safely and to make your roof assembly easier. A string line or a chalk line can easily be used to line up screw placements on your sheets. With these tools and tips, you'll have all you need to assemble your shed like a pro. Start building your dream shed today and make life easy.